What's it like working with farmers?
We always think, especially like entrepreneurs, I think today are like, oh, the challenges of working with farmers. But honestly, it's an opportunity. And I think one problem that they've all had, like I think across agriculture in India, is market linkage, right? When people have a harvest, they're not thinking of it as bountiful. They're like, I have to get rid of this right now because now it's a burden for them. But if you have that market linkage, which, I think the government is doing a lot with the APMCs and stuff like that, but there's still a lot more that can be done. Like if you have that predictability, so many of our farmers, like when we go to visit their farm and all, we're like, there are worms in the marigold, so why don't you do neem oil or put it in the sun or whatever it is. And they're like, ma'am, I'll do anything. You tell me, will you take 100 kgs every day from me? If I have that headache free, I don't have to worry about all of that. I will do anything to give you the best possible crop.
One of the things that when I would like go meet farmers and speak to them, one of the farmers, the question I asked him was, who should consume Akshay Kalpa? He said that anyone as they're growing older, people who don't want to have Ben Navu, Kal Navu, those people should drink Akshay Kalpa, right? When you take away their worries that come with farming, they have time to sit and think about things that are core to growing good food. It could be things that they do, whether they do at the farm or the kind of customers who should be consuming, what should they be consuming, the stories that they can share with us. All of these things I feel come out when you make them secure about that one thing that they are doing, isn't it?
When we went in being like, we don't know anything, like, we're here to learn, that kind of opened up communication channel between both of us, right? And being able to have those conversations with farmers, build trust from our end, being like, we're not just here today and like disappearing tomorrow. We're trying to build a company that's sustainable, that every single day we're going to show up and buy flowers from you. That took some time. And obviously we had to prove ourselves to do that. And then they come back to us and give us a lot of feedback as well, saying, oh, I have these flowers, but the bud size is too small. Like, let me harvest it tomorrow for you and stuff. So I think when you're kind of able to create that entire pipeline for the farmer, you're allowing him to also excel at what he does best, and then you're obviously able to take it to the end customer as well.